So we're at 40 Mile Point Lighthouse. This is so cool. They have restored or tried to restore this back to the original times. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the detail. Okay, so I can't do it with one hand. And there's all these different buildings, so make sure you stick through to see all this. Okay, I'll get better pictures of this. But there is a pamphlet here, and it tells you all about it. Want to do some laundry? No, thank you. They have modernized now. Oh my goodness. Look at the lights. Nobody's gonna window peek with this. Look at that view though. Awesome. Check this out, guys. So cool. And the floor's creek.
The Fay. It's pretty complete, actually.
So how deep underwater is it?
About 16 feet.
That is awesome.
It is part of the Thunder Bay Marine National Sanctuary, and people dive off of it, and you can snorkel over it really and see it's so shallow. So, and our water is so clear.
Yeah. So is that the one of the picture downstairs that was May of
Probably.
2010?
No, this one went down in 19.
No, there was a picture on the wall.
It could be.
Okay.
I'd have to look and see.
Okay, it just shows two boats, like one next to another.
Could have
So-
been, because it was pulling the roads.
Okay.
This was the Joseph Fay, and it was pulling the roads. And
Okay.
They both were late 18, this was 1871 built, but went down, they both went down. The other one drifted out and went down farther, deeper water.
Oh,
The
okay.
roads did, yeah.
Okay.
They were able to save everyone. I think they think that it probably tried to beach itself to save the crew.
Nice.
Yeah.
One died. They found his body on the beach, but everybody else survived, so that was good.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
No problem. A few years ago, we used to let people out on the catwalk, because that's how you go through. You'd have to crawl through there, but
Yep.
just got so hot up here, and we're open all summer, so we said, no, let's go for an air conditioner.
Yes, that's better.
And it's not, it's a short rail. I don't think OSHA really
Well,
wants you
yes.
out.
Check out the stairs to the lighthouse, guys. It's, when you get up to the top, it is very tight. Definitely need to hang on because the stairs on the top are very narrow. "53 steps, 40 steps to watch room, 13 very steep steps to the light room." All right, she told us to head down the path and we would be able to see some of the shipwreck. So hopefully we're on the right path. Either that or we'll have to go out onto the beach and walk. Either way is okay with me.
This would be a good thumbnail, Susie.
So I was expecting to see it out in the water, but here it is. It's in the sand. It must have come ashore and then got buried, or just that the water has receded and here's the sand. I don't know, guys. I am not a history buff, so. So we're standing on the boat. And the driftwood is over it too. Guys, this place is really cool. And every staff member that is here has been so interesting to talk to. So make sure that if you're up here between Cheboygan and Rogers City, that you guys make a stop here. There's just beautiful sights and so many things to learn about Michigan and Lake Huron. Not only reading, but talking to people. It is amazing. And they all are very educated in this stuff. They give you lots of information. Super friendly. Check out this. We'll go in here. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Welcome.
Well, thank you.
This is the actual pilot house off the 1912 Great Lakes freighter, the Calcite. This is a model of the ship.
Okay.
And the pilot house is right up there on the front. The ship was 436 feet long and could carry 7,000 tons of stone. Worked out of the calcite mine, delivering whatever they needed delivered wherever it went. And then it would take it, and then they would load up with coal to come back, because they had a coal-fired power plant down at the mine to
Okay.
run all their rock crushers and stuff. But they also would reload the ships because everybody was coal-fired. They
Right.
were steamships.
That's awesome.
So the ship, they tried to keep it full all the time. And they scrapped it in 1961 because it was too little to compete.
Oh.
This is a picture of the Bradley fleet. All the ships that worked out of the mine down here, and this is the Calcite.
Oh, wow. He was a little one.
Yes. So they scrapped it, they saved the pilot house, and the pilot house was brought out here, and a bunch of retired sailors and people who were interested refurbished it and made it what we have here today.
Awesome.
So it's kind of a nice reminder of seafaring days.
Yes.
And I don't know if I can get this to zoom in, but there is a buoy right there, and people can kayak out there or swim out there, I guess, if you're that strong of a swimmer. And there's a shipwreck out there that you can see, and I forgot the name of it, but there is a boat out there, so you can go see that either in a kayak or a boat.
In most rural and small town schools, all of the students met in a single room. There, a single teacher taught academic basics to several grade levels of elementary-age children. Many schools also served as the local chapel on Sundays, and meeting places for local people in the evening or on Saturday. Being mostly rural, many schools had no plumbing or sanitation. Teaching standards often varied from school to school as the teacher was compelled to coach children of all ages and grades within one room and regardless of their area of main competence. The quality of facilities at one-room schools varied with local economic conditions, but generally, the number of children at each grade level would vary with local populations. Most buildings were of simple frame.
Thank you all for watching this video, and if you really enjoyed this one or are coming to visit Michigan, make sure that you check into this playlist right over here, and I have a bunch of state parks and different beautiful places to check out on the East Coast, the West Coast, in the UP, all over Michigan. I hope you enjoy them, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Safe travels, everyone.